Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set user authentication in Cisco Switch. What is user authentication? Whenever you take access of your Cisco Switch through console, it will ask you for a username and password. As you can see here, it's not asking me anything. So to set up the authentication, these are the commands you have to follow. First, configure terminal, then write line console 0, then type login local, enter, and then exit. After that, type your username and password. Type now username Cisco, password Cisco. Hit enter. And once you again log in into your Cisco switch, it will ask you to enter the username and password. So I will write Cisco, password Cisco. If we see in show run, so that's it for today. See you in the next video.